Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website where you can access Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet and Claude Fable model. So at this website, if you open the browser, simply type getvamos.ai, getvamos.ai. So if you go to this website, they offer 100 free credits whenever you sign up. No credit card required. So you click on try for totally free, and then you simply sign up on this. And once you sign up, I've already signed up. You will see we have a free account right here. It gives you free trial. And inside the model, they offer you free access of this Claude Opus, the latest version of the model, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus. So right here, you specify what sort of thing that you want to generate. So inside the chat prompt, so you can type any message right here. It will respond to you. So it's a very effective website. You can see that as I typed the message, it responded to me, hi, what you want to work on. So we can ask any kind of question right here, top 10 Node.js frameworks in 2026. You can ask a coding related question. We can even ask to create an application as well. So you can see that it's also very fast. It is researching the entire internet, Google, and then it gives you the top 10 frameworks. So it is also reading multiple websites as well, and then gathering the data and then giving you the top 10 frameworks. So it's using the latest Claude Opus, as you can see right here, for totally free. Once you sign up, you can sign up using multiple Google accounts to get this free and unlimited. So you can see that now it gives you the top 10 frameworks after doing the research. So you can just see right here. The speed is also very good. It's giving you the full description related to each framework, the GitHub stars, each framework best for which kind of skill, what it ranks, performance level, everything it gives you. As you see, a full description. So that's the power of Claude Opus model. And now if I wanted to make an application, let's suppose I say build a image to PDF web app in browser, make a index.html file. So I simply ask, so once you sign up, it gives you 100 credits. So you can even sign up as well. Their pro plan, which $29 per month, it has the 2000 credits, full access to every model. So you have run out of credits. I have already created some applications. So you will get this message. So I will simply suggest you to create multiple accounts using free accounts. So again, open this website. So another, just type try Vamos free, and again sign up using your free account. So click on sign up. So if you do need Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet models, this website is very effective and helpful. This will save you a lot of time because it gives you free access to Claude models. So in this way, you can get access. So once you sign up, you just need to come right here as you see. So once you complete, so you will see that again you get this. If you see your account, So from here you can access, as you can see, we also have GPT, Gemini, all these models for totally free. So you select again, just type a message. So again it will respond to you. So this is an effective way by just go to this website, get Wormers AI, and create multiple accounts using your Google account, and you can get free access to Claude Opus, Sonnet, and Claude Fable model. Definitely try this.